Hey guys, what's up? Introducing Enchavio Resort Palghar, one of the most peaceful and beautiful resort you're ever gonna visit. This right here is the reception whose interiors are so unique. This resort covers 150 acres of land. Now, without wasting much time, let me show you the different rooms and let me tell you their rates. This right here was my room with the bunker beds and a bed and a sofa which comes between 15 to 18,000, and this is your amazing river view from the room. And this is the bathroom which is very spacious. The total is around 400 plus square feet, and you have hot water because they have these solar panels. This is the view outside your room. Now this right here is the swimming pool, which is so beautiful, so peaceful. You can just relax, and you have fresh towels as well. This is the Bougainvillea restaurant, which serves only veg food. What luxury and what elegance! Like, you're gonna just feel like you're coming some palace. And this too has the river view. यहाँ पे you will have your buffet, your breakfast buffet right over here in the morning, if that's included in your package. We ordered for, cheese toast. This was this little chick who had a lot of attitude, and this is how the place looks in the night. So I'm just showing you, overall how it looks. They have these small lamps that are lit in the night, and you can just take a nice walk. They have a big ground where you can, play whatever games you want to play. And इतना सुकून है यहाँ पे. No horn, no pollution, no car की आवाज़, no toxic people around you, and no games, no politics. It's just you with nature, and there are different rooms with different themes. I'm gonna take you and show you everything. This is the spa, which looked quite haunting to me and spooky as well. And even this little chick right here looked spooky. It was the price was quite high. This was the Tinge, a restaurant that serves non-veg food. The food was quite nice. You can just tell the chef how you want it. And this was the buffet where you have all kinds of fruits, not all but some fruits. Then you have these bhaji, the poha, the upma, and the baked beans, and the hash brown, and some vada and some idli and some chutney and sambar of different colors. It was quite okay in taste. 2 out of 5. Some chutney and cheese sandwich. And as usual, every buffet they provide these attractive looking bakery products and some fresh juice. You have cornflakes, you have milk, you have croissants, you have muffins. ये दिखते अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे दिखते दूर से, और जब आप उसको खाओगे ना तो it's not all that great. Just like some people, they look good from far. The more you get to know them, the more crazy they sound. This one was so cute, but she knew she looked pretty, so she had this attitude with her. And I bought some grass for them, and they were nibbling on the grass and just enjoying their time. This little one just liked me a lot. You can see that. आपके पास यहाँ cycles होते हैं which are rent free. You can just take your cycle, go cycling around the property, keep the cycle parked outside your villa. It depends on, you have these small cycles and big cycles for kids and for adults. Now I'm taking you to this bachelor's cottage, which is a quite peaceful area which is facing the river. This is how the interiors look. This comes somewhere around 15,000 plus with GST. And this is the washroom. It's quite small, it's not all that spacious, so you can just have a look. And this is how the view is from your room outside. There's a nice bougainvillea plant with a lot of flowers. And now I am on my way to the mud villa. सारे villas ना एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर है, so you don't have a lot of drama happening around. You have your own space. This is the mud villa, which is again between 15 to 20,000. Okay, but the problem here is there is no window. ठीक है, ये बाथरूम है आपका, और यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक it's like a raw feel. Now I'm going from the mud villa to another one. Let's see which one it is. यहाँ पे mud villas है अलग अलग colors के, some are yellow, some are green, some are orange, and this was some different themed room, and they have so many different kind of 20 plus different kind of theme rooms. Okay, this was the Bougainvillea, and this is how it looks. Very peaceful, very calm, very clean. It's like a proper five-star feel, and they have a small sofa if you want to chill. This is their washroom, and this is how the view is of your room, and this is the view from your room outside. And it's very pretty, like आप देख सकते हो, it's very clean, very pretty. You'll feel like you're somewhere abroad looking at everything. And this was the amusement area जहाँ पे carom, chess, badminton, bow and arrow. They have different kinds of bougainvilleas. Some are brown, some are white in color. Then this, I think most probably is the owner's villa. And then they have some villas in the middle as well. This is the barrel room, and this is the pyramid room, which I'm gonna go and explore. Okay, let's check into the barrel room, which is round, and you can see it's like a barrel. The bathroom is also barrel shaped, and the bedroom also is barrel shaped. This is somewhere around 25 to 30,000, and you have a private slide that will dip you into the private pool. Okay, and this is the proper view of the room. ठीक है, you can sit and see properly. It looks like this, because once you book these rooms, you cannot exchange it for another room. You can only upgrade, you can't degrade. So suppose if you've purchased a room for 30,000, you didn't like it, so you can't go below 30,000. You have to go for a room above 30,000. So please see carefully. This was the pyramid room, which was again a little bit spooky. Did you see how the door just opened? और यहाँ पे ना एक बेड है, बड़ा सा किंग साइज, बट इट्स अ बेड प्लस झूला. तो आई डोंट नो हाउ पीपल can just lay on this bed, because it's a swing as well. So and this is the underground bathroom. Okay, the bathroom that has an AC, that has two basin and wash basin and a nice big tub. It's inspired by the pyramid. जैसे वहाँ पे अंडरग्राउंड चीज़ें होते थे, वैसे यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने यही थीम अप्लाई किया है. दिस इज समवेयर अराउंड 30 to 40,000 plus. So if you like it, you can come and stay over here. And this is how the room looks. Look at this door. It just opens, and I really don't know how. It's a mystery. You can go and find out for yourself. Now this over here is the A room. Okay, which is a little bit close by from the pyramid and the barrel room. Let's go and check it out. It has a beautiful river view. So you walk into this, and here we go. They have a private jacuzzi, okay, all for you. ठीक है, अभी आगे देखते हैं. यू हैव अ स्मॉल जस्ट सिट एंड ड्रिंक सम चाय. झूला है, झूला झूल लो, रिवर देख लो, मतलब मज़े ही मज़े. इतना पीसफुल है ये जगह. बट यू हैव टू क्लाइम अप इफ़ यू वांट टू गो एंड रेस्ट. And this is the washroom, which is quite nice and decent, quite spacious. For two people it's quite spacious. अभी आप कुछ स्टेप्स चढ़ के ऊपर देखोगे, दिस इज़ योर स्लीपिंग एरिया, जहाँ पे ऊपर विंडोज़. इफ़ यू वांट, यू कैन जस्ट open the parda and see the leaves and the sky. And then you have a small balcony that is connected to your A room. This also comes somewhere around 30 to 40,000. So यहाँ पे rooms 15 to 45,000 के बीच में. This is how the property looks during the daytime. Very well maintained, very clean, very peaceful. There are these different types of rooms, some are for couples, some are for families, some are pet friendly rooms. This was the historic room, which was again somewhere around 400 to 500 square feet, which had 2 3 beds for 4 5 people occupancy. And this was the washroom, which was again quite big and quite spacious. It's very nice, but again, this doesn't have a window, nor does this room have a river view. Okay, so this is how the room looks from out, and it's quite nice and decent for many people. They have occupancy for 4, for 6, for 7, for 8. Now I am on my way to, let me see, because I really don't know where am I going. And but the best part about this is this river. You can see there are many river sports happening over here. You have kayaking, you have paddle boat, you have the small shack. You can sit and chill यहाँ पे. This is how the waterfall, artificial waterfall, looks like in the swimming pool. Then they even have a private gym. If you don't have anything to do, you can go and gym. Then they have this restaurant, the Tinge, which serves amazing non-veg food. And this was the view from my room, which was so calming, so peaceful. मतलब ना, पैसा वसूल है. In short, if you want to be away from all the toxicity and drama, this is the resort you definitely have to visit. इसके टाइमिंग्स है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी टाइमिंग्स होते हैं for all the activities. You have these bikes, and you have these sports bikes, ATV rides, and this is how the property looks from the river. Okay, there's kayaking and paddle boat. As I said, this was my second day's buffet for the breakfast, which had almost the same things. थोड़ा सा यहाँ 19-20 था, बाकी सारा सेम ही था. Don't have high hopes for the breakfast. They even make pancakes and dosa and uttapas for you if you want on your special request. And this is how the property looks. Now I'm taking you to this another special place, the Beehive, which is very very spacious, very very beautiful. And यहाँ पे 2 रूम है. ये हॉल है, एंड राइट साइड पे एक रूम है, लेफ्ट साइड पे एक रूम है. दिस अगेन हैज़ अ प्राइवेट स्लाइड विद अ प्राइवेट pool facing the river. Okay, so you can just sit and enjoy. And they even have this glass flooring where you can, sit and see. This guy was just admiring himself, and you know what he did? I'll tell it to you later. He just locked me in this beehive thinking that I had left. So this is the interiors and of the washroom, and this is another room. The rooms are quite nice and decent. And this is how he opened me after remembering that I'm locked up. This was a small little chick that we were troubling. And anyways, on my way back home, so please, if you enjoyed, do visit this place. It's one of the best resorts you're ever gonna visit.